Hello. In this video, I will review the key price action lives indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator shows us important price action on the chart, which is usually a trend line, and we can expect a reaction after the price hits these levels. Let's go over the settings of this indicator together.
Seven powerful volume trading indicators: footprint, volume profile, and fast scalp. Level up your trading.
This indicator shows us four important price levels: level 0, level 50, level 20, and level 80. As you can see here, level 0 is displayed in pale green, with the 0 at the end of their price number. The 20th level is shown in crimson. The 50th level is shown in dark brown, and the 80th level is shown in bright green. If the first option is true, it will show us level 0 and level 50. But if it is false, it will not show these two levels. The next option, if true, will show us levels 20 and 80. And if false, it won't display that level. The next option is for the color of level 0. The next option is for the color of level 50. The next option is for the color of level 20. And the next option is for the color of level 80. Let's see a live test of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. You can also use the MT5 version and this indicator for the MetaTrader 5 platform. You will see the live test and this indicator together on the MetaTrader 5 platform. In the end, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.